contribution towards the PMJDY. Rightly said by the Honorable Chief Minister that access is merely a first step. The real challenges lies in making this financial inclusion really meaningful, meaning thereby making sure that each and every account is activated, is made operational, and we are able to reach him with the complete bouquet of the banking products, including the micro insurance and the micro pension. Now, in order to do that, let me tell you that every one of us sitting here has a big role to play. Because what is going to make a difference is the financial literacy at the last mile, for which the banking industry is doing taking a lot of initiatives. My colleagues from the banking sector are going to tell you a detailed part of it. But my appeal to every stakeholder here is that we all can make a difference if all of us can take the responsibility to share the financial literacy, whether it is in the urban areas or in the rural areas. The second point which occurs to me is that now the banking industry is using the extended arm of the business correspondents. And let me tell you that reaching the last mile and making the last mile really a potential customer, as said by the Honorable Chief Minister, would be possible only if this structure of the business correspondents is really strengthened, again through a good amount of training and capacity building of the business correspondents, monitoring them properly, supporting them, and this could not be possible only by one banking industry alone. I think it needs a lot of synergy coming from the banking sector, the technology service providers, the insurance sector, the pension sectors, and all of us put together can really create a good synergy and use these resources who are reaching to the last mile in making this financial inclusion viable. Since this summit is going to talk a lot on technology, my concluding word on the technology is that in all technology summits, lot is being discussed about the various innovations, but those innovations are largely going towards the generation Y kind of a client. I think the majority challenge is that millennium client which has been included in the PMJDY, who probably besides mobile may not be knowing much about the technology. Mobile penetration, yes, it is said to be very strong, but the usage of the mobile technology towards the banking at that level in the last mile is probably far from being used. The usage part is very, very low, and thus I will appeal the technology service providers sitting here. Let's work for the last mile technology. We have worked enough for the Gen Y technology. Let's work for the last mile technology. How can we really make them use the technology at an affordable cost so that the real inclusion could succeed? Thank you very much. I'm sorry, since I need to move, I had to come first and close my words. Thank you.